Good day everyone, this is John Glenn S. Mario, your teacher for Statistics and Probability. Today we will be discussing determining probabilities. After going through this lesson, you are expected to find areas between paired z-scores, find probabilities for standard normal variable random z, express areas under the normal curve using probability notation. Now, reviewin natin yung steps in solving the area under the normal curve. Step 1, draw tayo ng normal curve. Ano yung second step? Locate the z-score. Next, shade the area based on the condition from the z-score. Next, use the z-table to solve the area. Yan. Now, let's proceed to the lesson proper. Learning the probability notations under the normal curve. Now, when we see a notation that looks like this, P is the probability of Z greater than A. It simply means that, or it denotes that the probability that the Z is greater, the Z score is greater than A. So A can be any number. Okay? Next, same as getting to the area to the right of or above a Z score. So, kapag ganito pala, kung napanood nyo yung lesson before, parehas lang ito ng pagkuha ng area to the right or above. Kuha ba? Okay, good. Ginawa lang probability notation. Next, the probability of Z is less than A. So, anong ibig sabihin nito? It denotes that the probability that the Z-score is less than A. It is also the same as getting the area to the left of or below a z-score. So, parehas lang. Kapag less than naman ang notation natin, same lang to ng to the left or below. Kuha ba? Okay, good. Then, the probability that z is less than a or greater than a and less than b, it denotes that the probability that the z-score is between a and b. So, pag-compute lang ito ng area in between. Kuha ba? Okay, good. Now, ito yung isang mahalagang makita nyo. The probability, etong dalawang ito na notation ay same lang. The probability that Z is greater than A and less than B is simply equal to the probability that Z is greater than or equal to A and less than or equal to B. So, bakit ganun, sir? When getting the probability, the or equal is opted. Bakit? Kasi when using the normal curve, it is just the same. Sa pagkakataong ito, when dealing with the probabilities with the normal curve, it's just the same. Okay? Less than or equal is the same as less than. And also, greater than or equal is the same as greater than. Kuha ba? Okay, good. Example, find the probability that the z-score is greater than 1.08. So, greater than meaning para itong to the right or above. So, paano gagawin nating approach dito? First, of course, draw tayo ng normal curve. Ayan. Next, locate the z-score. Anong ilo-locate natin? Yung 1.08. Nasa yung 1.08. Ayun. Next, shade the area based on the inequality. Ang inequality natin ay greater than. So, dapat, ano ang shade natin? Yung mas mataas sa 1.08. Very good. Next, solve na lang natin yung area. So, paano natin solve to? Using the trick, since ito ay hindi tumatama, yung area na to ay hindi tumatama sa mean or hindi nag-overlap sa mean, it is what? Subtraction. So, ano susubtract natin? Susubtract natin yung area na ito, yung 1.08. Nasaan ba yung 1.08? Yung 0.3599. Ayan. Isusubtract natin yan sa 0.5. Therefore, ang makukuha nating area ay ano? 0.1401. Meaning to say, ang probability na ang z-score natin ay greater than 1.08 ay 0.1401. Kuha ba? Okay, good. Next, the probability that z is greater than negative 0.77. So again, to solve this, step 1, draw the normal curve. Nasaan ang normal curve? Ayun ang normal curve. Then, locate the z-score. Nasaan yung negative 0.77? Nasa pagitan ni or nasa pagitan ng 0 at negative 1. Approximation lang tayo. Ayun. Next, shade the area based on the inequality. So, ano ba ang sabi dito? Anong inequality natin? Ayun, greater than. Meaning to say, mas mataas sa 0.77. Ayun, or mas mataas sa negative 0.77, sorry. Ayan. So, paano na natin? So, solve to. Since based on our illustration, yung shaded area overlaps the mean, therefore, magiging addition yung ating operation. Ano yung i-add natin? Yung area ng 0.77, ito i-add natin sa 0.5. Therefore, ano makukuha nating area? Good. Ang makukuha nating probability greater than negative 0.77 ay 0.7794. Take note, ang area ng normal curve, it represents what? Percentage, proportion, and probability. Kuha ba? Okay, good. Next. Okay, so next problem. Let's find the probability that z is less than 0.36. Okay. So again, first step, we draw the normal curve. Here we go. Next step, let us locate 0.36. And 0.36 is somewhere between 0 and positive 1. So, dito yon. Next, draw tayo ng line. Ayan. Then, shade the area based on the inequality. Ang inequality natin ay less than. Therefore, saan dapat ang direction ng shade? To the left. Ayan. Ayan, nag-overlap yung total area sa mean. Therefore, addition yung gagamitin natin, i-add natin. Anong a-add natin? Yung area ng 0.36. Nasaan ba yung area ng 0.36? Ayun. Then, what? Ano i-add natin? 0.5. Very good. Therefore, anong total probability natin? Ang total natin ay 0.6406. Kuha ba? Okay, good. Next. Find the probability that z is less than negative 1.42. Again, to solve this, let us draw the normal curve. Ayan. Next step, locate the z-score. Where is negative 1.42? This is very good. Nasa pagitan ng negative 1 at negative 2. Ayun. So, best approximation again. Next, shade the area based on the inequality. Ang inequality sign natin ay less than. Therefore, ang direction natin ay to the left. Ayun. Very good. So, ano na next step? Aalamin na natin yung probability. Paano natin solve yan? Since ang ating shaded area ay less than the mean, alam natin na minus or subtraction. Paano subtraction, sir? Ganito. Ayan. Ano yung susubtract natin? Yung area ng 0.4222. Nasaan yun? Ayun yung area ng 0.4222. Kaya lang, ang kailangan natin ay ito. Para malaman natin yung area na to, ito, ibabawas natin sa 0.5. Ayan, very good. And by doing so, anong makukuha natin? The probability that z is less than 1.42 is equals to 0.0778. Ayan. Kuha ba? Ayun, very good. Next, find the probability of z is greater than 0.84 and less than 1.61. So, this is an example of in between. So, paano natin i-approach to? Again, first step, draw the normal curve. Ayun. Next, locate the z-scores. Nasaan yung 0.84? Nasa pagitan ng 0 at 1. And ang 1.61, nasaan? Ayun. Nasa pagitan ng 1 and 2. Anong hinahanap natin? In between daw. So, therefore, in between. Ayun. Alam natin, natutunan natin noong nakarang lesson na kapag in between at yung area ay hindi nag-overlap sa mean, anong gagawin natin? High minus low. Very good. And by doing so, locate ko lang yung area na to. Nasaan yung area ng 0.2995? Ayun siya. Then itong 0.4463, nasan siya? Ayun. So, high minus low lang tayo. Anong makukuha nating sagot? Very good. 0.1468. Ayan. Then, let's find the probability when z is greater than negative 1.44 and less than 2.49. So again, same procedure. Draw the normal curve. Locate the z-scores. Negative 1.44 is in between negative 1 and negative 2. 2.49 in between 2 and 3. Ang ating inequality ay ang z daw natin nasa gitna. So, in between. Ayan. So, therefore, alam natin na yung total area ay nag-overlap sa mean. So, ang gagawin natin ay i-add lang natin yung dalawang area. Okay? So, unang area ng 1.44 is 4251. Then, yung area ng 2.49 ay 0.4936. Pag pinagsama natin yan, makukuha natin yung buo. Therefore, by doing so, we can get the probability, which is equal to, ayan, 0.9187. Ayan. Madali lang kapag alam natin yung trick. Kasi bakit? Ang pinagbabasihan natin dito ay yung, hindi yung direction eh. Hindi tayo reliant sa direction. Nagre-rely tayo dun sa illustration para alam natin yung gagawin. Hindi tayo nagre-rely sa signs na, ay, dalawang negative, ay, dalawang positive. Magkaiba yung sign. Hindi tayo reliant doon. Hindi rin tayo reliant sa direction. Mas reliant tayo sa illustration. Okay? So, mahalaga na alam mo, i-locate mo muna yung z-scores bago mo i-shade yung area. Kuha ba? Okay, good. Recap tayo. Alam natin, pag z is greater than a, same lang yan as to the right or above. Kapag naman less than, to the left or below. Then, kapag naman may dalawang areas, dalawang z-scores na given, in between lang yon. Okay? Okay, sige. Practice tayo.
Get ready for the next battle.
So, ayun na nga. Eto. So, meron tayong 6 na examples. Isosolve lang natin yung probability. Pwede nyo gamitin yung mga shortcut tricks na tinuro ko sa inyo noong nakaraan. I trust you guys. Kayang-kaya nyo yan. With the correct practice, makukuha nyo yung tamang sagot. Okay? So, good luck.
Much later.
Okay. So, check na natin kung tama yung mga sagot ninyo. So, anong sagot sa 1? Or sa letter A? 0.9099. Ayan. Yan ang sagot. Next. 0.1379. Next. 0.0162. Next. 0.9699. Letter E. 0.9635. F. 0.1319. Nakuha niyo ba lahat ng sagot? Okay, very good. Thanks for watching my video lesson. Again, this is John Mario saying, remember, trust the process. Bye guys. See you soon.